let's do it. I hope you guys like my makeup look that I did. This is my go-to makeup, honestly. Like, I love the whole red eyeshadow thing. That's my go-to. Same foundation, nothing really changed except maybe the palette or the eyeshadow. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. And I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix Blue foundation. Today I just need a light foundation just because I don't want anything that's heavy. Now that I've accomplished that, I did my eyebrows off camera. I'm just gonna take my BH Cosmetics. It's a foundation slash concealer palette. I'm gonna take the darker shade and make a contour line right where my cheekbone is. You don't want to go like under your cheekbone because that'd be weird. You just want to contour away the sides of your cheek. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna transition over to a sponge. See, that's the thing about using a brush. You can't really use a brush because then it'll make streak lines all over your face. So that's why I kind of still have to depend on a sponge, or you can use your fingers. I'm gonna take my MAC Prep Prime powder. I'm just basically like redefining my cheekbone. I'm gonna use my Lock-It Concealer by Kat Von D, and I'm gonna dot it underneath my eye. That was weird. Like, I don't know why I did that. I'm baking. I'm gonna bake underneath my eye. That way it holds my makeup pretty long. I'm gonna use my Tarte Clay Play face shaping palette. Well, first I'm gonna be using sand. Never mind. I'm gonna be using sand. Alright, and then I'm gonna be placing it right onto my lid. I'm gonna use the darker shade. It's called Timber. I'm gonna use my MAC. This is actually a blush powder, but I'm gonna be using it as a eyeshadow because I'm obsessed. This is called Frankly Scarlet. I love it so much. I always wear it. I hate this part because I know I'm gonna like poke myself. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes because, you know, it's really important. And I broke my other one, so I had to buy another one, and so here it is. I'm just gonna use my Telescopic Carbon Black by L'Oreal Paris. I love like mascaras that have tips like this. I'm gonna take my Too Faced bronzer. Just gonna. It smells like chocolate. The stuff smells so good. Make sure to take it underneath your neck, guys, because you don't want any discoloration. Seriously. Because I haven't been feeling eyelashes lately, like falsies. I'm gonna be putting on Bestie by Tarte, and it's a lip paint, and I absolutely love this one. As a matter of fact, I almost wear it every single day, so this one's my holy grail. I love this thing so much. Tarte, you are amazing. Your products are amazing, okay? I'm not gonna outline my lips because my lips are already huge. Less is more, I always say. I'm gonna do a little slight contouring just to make my nose look like as if it has shape. Tip of our nose, and it's perfect. I'm just gonna use this lighter shade and just highlight the tip of my nose to make it look shiny. You know? Oh my god. The final look, everyone. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. It's somewhat like Glam-ish, you know. Oh my gosh, I could literally bathe with this. It's so amazing. I love this stuff. It's so good.